What's up, YouTube viewers, Toyota Sequoia owners? Excuse me. How are you guys? Thank you for everything. 2004 Toyota Sequoia. I showed you the speaker install. Now I wanted to show you the amplifier installs. I'm a big fan of the taramps, so we went with a DS 1200 by 4. I have 4 DS 18 6.5 competitions that we're going to mod in the back here somewhere. I haven't figured that out yet. We're running the kicker 6x9s in the doors. That's running off the taramps here. And then we're running American-based 15s X Maxes. The taramp 12,000 watt amplifier, 1 ohm, 6 cubic foot box. So everything's wired. And how I got everything to fit under here. So I hacked out the bottoms of the seats. I trimmed a little bit of the seat supports and moved them over. And you can see over here I trimmed out the 3/4 bench seat. And I did trim out the whole tin work support for the seat. Not all of it, but just the upper part, so that the seats will close down underneath. This has a fan, that has a fan, that one doesn't. But there should be plenty of airflow here. Everything's wired in oxygen-free O gauge back here. We have 8 gauge for speaker wire for the subs. And then let me show you what I did under here. I put vent holes in here so you can see. All right. So that's the 50 farad. Everything's wired into there in that little compartment. I moved the spare jack hardware and handle to the left back corner storage compartment. I don't know if the spare will come down on this. I haven't tried it. I don't want to. And then we ordered a new Boss 10-inch touchscreen, and that was dead right out the box. It just never, ever, ever ceases to amaze me with the bad shit that goes on, you know. Now I gotta wait another few days from Amazon to get another radio. So I bought a cheap radio for one of my projects, $90 touchscreen. That was shit right out of the box. The eBay seller sent me the parts to fix it. That still didn't fix it. I got tired of fucking around with him. So I ordered another one, never used it. One of the installers here was building the stereo. I was like, listen, I paid $80 for it. Put it in. Of course his works, right? Not mine, no. But you know, the new one I get again from eBay works. And then I have 2 Boss systems, touches. And then I bought one for the Sequoia, and I put the one in the Sequoia is dead right in the box. So now we're waiting for the radio to come back so we can do that. In the interim, I gotta finish up the big 3. Just about everything's pulled. This is wired right to the frame rail. This is wired right up to the under hood. I have some battery upgrades I'm going to do there. I'll show you that video later. And then let me show you the 6.5s. Judio! Judio! Here's the other view. All right, nice and clean, nice and clean. So we're gonna put these bad boys, the Pro ZT6s. I'm either gonna try and stack 2 there, or stack 1 left, 1 right, and then get some adapters and put them there, so we'll have 4 sound, you know, audible sounds up higher than your lower notes. It should sound pretty sick in here. Thanks for watching.